Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to put your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop on a lock screen. To put your device on a lock screen, you either have to go to the Start menu, then Power Options, and then in Power Options select Lock. Or instead of doing that, you can just press the shortcut of Windows button and L buttons simultaneously. And this will also put your device on a lock screen. And so that's all the ways you can do it with. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.